Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, How to Build WWE. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your own t-shirt for an action figure. For this build, you're going to be needing a piece of paper, duct tape, a Sharpie, an action figure, tin foil, and scissors. Now that you know what we're going to be needing, let's get straight into building. So first you're going to take your piece of tin foil and put it on your paper and cut out around it. So once you have it, you can tape it so it looks something like this. Then you're going to want to take it and put it around your action figure. You want to have the paper facing in to protect it and put it all around. And see, it's so long. So mark where you need, how long it should be, and take it, and then you can rip it. Now that you have it, you might want to take some extra duct tape so it stays like on the middle, because there's no duct tape there yet. So now yours can look something like this. Now that you have it, you're going to want to take it and fold and put it around your action figure. So it should look something like this. You can, for now, just take some tape and tape it so it stays together. Now with the other pieces that you have, you can take them and put them over the shoulders. But this piece is longer than the shoulders, so I'm going to cut a little piece off. Now that you have that, I'm going to make it a little smaller by ripping it in half. And I'm going to tape it now. Now this is about the part that you get to decide about how you want to make yours. You can make yours a tank top, a shirt with some sleeves, or however you want. And pretty much any way that you want. I'm going to be making a tank top for this. So now that you have both of your pieces, shoulder pieces, take them and put them over the shoulders and see how it looks. I want to remember to keep the paper in, because that helps protect your figure. With the tin foil on the outside helps it, because tin foil, you can bend it easy. So now, this is what it can look like. Now that you have that, you can tape it down. I'm almost finished with putting them on. So this is pretty much how you can make it. So now that you have it, you can add some sleeves. You can take some tape or paper and put it around on the outside and then write something on it with your Sharpie. And you can also cut down the back if you want to, or create the way you want it to be able to get out of the shot. Or if you want to, you could just leave it like this, so they undo the shoulder straps, and then it can slide down. Whichever way you want is up to you. So this is what yours can look like, but you can also finish it and make it look better how you want to. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye!